Hey shoppers! Are you ready to unlock some unbelievable Black Friday savings? Look no further because TopCashback has got your back. Click the link in the description below to snag your special offer and start saving like a pro. Alright, let's dive into how you can maximize those Black Friday deals with TopCashback. Imagine this. You're already getting insane discounts on your favorite items. But what if I told you you could stack more savings on top of that? Yup, you heard me right. Here's the scoop. TopCashback is like that secret weapon every savvy shopper needs. It's super simple. You sign up, it's free by the way. Then you shop through their site at your favorite stores. And guess what? You earn a percentage of your purchase back in cold, hard cash. Picture this. You're eyeing that swanky new coffee maker at your favorite store. It's already 50% off for Black Friday. And with TopCashback, you could get an extra 10% back in cashback. It's like finding money in the pocket of jeans you haven't worn in months. And it's not just electronics. You can get cash back on everything from fashion and beauty products to travel bookings and even groceries. Yes, you heard me, groceries. Now I know what you're thinking. This sounds too good to be true, right? But I promise it's totally legit. TopCashback partners with thousands of retailers to bring you the best deals, and they have some of the highest cashback rates out there. But wait, there's more. TopCashback often has exclusive offers and bonuses, so you could end up saving even more during the craziest shopping day of the year. It's like Black Friday on steroids. So here's the game plan. Click on the link in the description below. Sign up for TopCashback. Shop till you drop and watch those savings roll in. Your wallet will thank you. All right, folks, that's my time. Don't miss out on these mind-blowing savings. Click the link below and start your Black Friday shopping spree with TopCashback today. Happy saving!